Alrighty, Reese's first birthday.
Open up your present. Open this up.
Woo!
Ready? You help me.
Oh!
What did you get? What is it? It's a little open close SUV. That's what every little girl needs. And what about this one? Open this one. Oh, what's in this one? Ready? Oh, look, Reese. Some books.
Books!
Some books.
Come on!
Look. Yay. Happy birthday, Reese.
Reese!
Yay. Happy birthday.
Reese. Clap, clap.